Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily cut unwanted part of your clip in a CapCut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC, and first of all, I'm going to add this video to the timeline. Okay, and if you want to cut unwanted part of your clip, you can use this separator to help you cut the unwanted part. For example, I'm going to cut the right side of this clip, so we can place the separator right here, and you can click on this icon, delete right, to cut the right side of your clip like this. And if you want to delete the left side or cut the left side, you can click on this icon, delete left button, place this separator right here, and we're going to click on this icon to cut the left side of your clip. You can also drag the clip like this to cut it. And that's how we can easily cut unwanted part of our clip in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.